What's up, everybody? You know who the hell it is. It's Quadfather FPV, aka Toothless. Let's get these first pass jiggers. Let's get those first pass jitters out of the way. God, did I still screw it up again? Let's get those first pack jitters out of the way. There we go. Let's fly. What makes me whole. Dancing is what to do. Dancing's what I think of you. Dancing's what clears my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole. Dancing is what to do. Dancing's what I think of you. Dancing's what clears my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole. Dancing is what to do. Dancing's what I think of you. Dancing's what clears my soul. Dancing's what makes me whole. Well, you know it's just not a rip sesh without getting your quad stuck in a tree. Mr. Danger Dave parked it right in the crack. Let's retrieve it. No shame in the game. Crashing is part of the FPV hobby. If you're afraid to crash, don't get into the hobby.